I decided I will show you how you can plant some mint that you may have bought from the store. So here I have a piece of mint. I bought it at a store, and what I did is that I put it in some water so that it can develop some roots. So as you can see there, it has developed roots. So now that it has developed roots, what I'm going to do is I am going to transplant it now. Let me see if I can pull it out so you can see the roots there. There you can see the roots. So that's something you can do if you buy mint and you want to be able to plant it in your garden. Just put it in some water, leave it by your windowsill, and it will soon develop the roots as you can see here. And then you can transfer it into, or you rather transplant it into your garden. Something I would mention, what I did with the mint that I had put in the cup, every day I would empty out the water and add fresh water to it. Here are some benefits of mint. Alright, there you have it, folks. We have now just transplanted our mint that we rooted. We were able to leave it in a cup for a while and allow it to develop roots, and here now we have transplanted it into our garden. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give the video the thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye for now.